Welcome to this video walkthrough of the gym feature inside the BharatBrainz app. We're currently in the home area. To navigate to the gym, simply tap on the dumbbell icon located on the bottom navigation. Here you'll find the first section, Choose Your Practice Session. In the practice session area, you have several modes to choose from. Fundamental Rapids, personalized for you, adaptive, and custom. Fundamental Rapids is a practice session mode that creates exercises based on fundamental core concepts of the selected course and chapters. In this mode, you'll find questions that are rooted in the core concepts of the courses and chapters you select. You have the flexibility to choose a course and multiple chapters for your practice. Additionally, you can set the length of your practice session. You can also decide whether to impose a time limit on your practice session. There's an option to save this session as a template for future use. Once configured, this setup will generate a practice session tailored to the fundamental concepts of your chosen course and chapters. As you begin the quiz, you'll encounter your first question. You can attempt these questions at your pace. If you answer a question incorrectly, an explanation of the solution will be provided. After attempting all the questions, you can conclude the exam to see your report. Upon completing the session, you'll receive a report showcasing your achievements, 2 XP and 5 Brainiums in this case. You'll also have the option to view a detailed report. By clicking on the Review Report button, you can access detailed insights like your marks, the time taken to complete the session, and various statistics including correct and incorrect marks, total marks, and accuracy. The report also highlights the topics and subtopics where you've shown progress or regression. You have the choice to review or reattempt the session. By clicking on the Review button, you can revisit your previous attempts to see your responses. When you press the back button, you'll be taken back to the gym. In the Personalized for You practice session mode, the questions are tailored based on your past performance and gym attempts, keeping in mind the selected courses and chapters. This mode features similar configuration options but introduces a new choice between practice mode and test mode. In practice mode, solutions are visible immediately, whereas in test mode, you only get a report at the end without seeing the solutions during the session. When you start a practice session in test mode, the session generates and you begin the quiz. During this time, you won't be able to check the correctness of your answers. You only see your attempts as you move forward. After completing the questions, you'll end the exam. The app then provides you with XP and premiums, and you can view the report to see your overall result. For example, you might score 5 out of 20 marks, taking 30 seconds for the session. The report offers a detailed breakdown of statistics, and you can review which questions were answered correctly or incorrectly. After reviewing, you can return to the gym. Moving on, the next section in the gym is My Templates. Here, you can create templates for practice sessions based on different modes. By clicking Add Template, you start creating one. You can name your template, choose the session type, select courses and chapters, and decide on the practice session length. You can also choose whether or not to set a time limit for your session. Once you've set a time limit, save your template. This saved template will then appear in the My Templates section. Clicking on it will prompt a modal asking if you'd like to view the template or start the quiz. Selecting to start the quiz takes you through the quiz process. After finishing, you'll be able to view your results. By clicking the View Report button, you'll have access to all the relevant metrics and statistics. The report will provide detailed insights into your progress and regression in various subtopics. You can choose to review your attempt or reattempt the session. You also have the option to close this section and return to the gym. Back in the gym area, you'll find the Statistics section, which showcases your gym attempt stats. This includes the number of questions solved and weekly time spent in the gym. Additionally, there's a heat map displaying daily time spent and knowledge gained inside the gym. There's also a history area that lists all your past gym attempts. You can filter this history by date or by the type of practice session mode, and that's a wrap.